What's up, everyone? This is Sean.rampersaud here with another awesome financial video for you. Today, I'm going to be talking about the September 4th, 2024 Bank of Canada announcement and what that means to you if you're planning on getting a mortgage in 2024. Now, there's a lot of misinformation going on right now. I've been seeing a lot of real estate agents and a lot of insurance agents and other people posting on Facebook, posting on their social medias about what it actually really means, this Bank of Canada rate adjustment. So people are talking about some words like key interest rates, benchmark rates, that type of thing. I'm going to explain everything to you in this video so that you do not have to sift through all of the crap that's going on online. So let's get right into it. Number one, we're going to talk about the key interest rate. What does the key interest rate mean? So the key interest rate is exactly the same as the benchmark rate. They both mean exactly the same thing. The key interest rate has been lowered, or the benchmark interest rate has been lowered to 4.25%. And what is the benchmark rate then? You're going to ask that question. The benchmark rate is the rate some lenders use to qualify people for mortgages in Canada. And now it's 4.25%. So it went from 4.5% and it is now 4.25%. One of the things you're going to notice in all of this is that the reason the rate went down is only because the inflation has gone down in Canada. So the inflation has gone down 2.5%. Now, I know you probably don't need to know all of this for mortgage stuff, and I don't want anyone to get caught up in all of these words and sayings that are happening online right now. We all need to just kind of focus on one thing. What is going to be your interest rate? So people are asking me, what is the variable rate right now? Is the variable rate 4.25%? Hell no. The variable rate is not 4.25%, and it's not going to be as low as 4.25% for quite a long time. So you can expect that. So the variable rate is not 4.25%. All of these websites online that are advertising variable rates at 4.25% are lying to you. They're going to tell you that the key benchmark rate is 4.25%. They're trying to bait you into calling them. So don't. So how is this going to actually affect mortgage rates? So directly, the only mortgage rates that are affected by this new lowering of the benchmark rate is the variable rate. The variable rate is now 5.35% on the absolute lowest. There's one bank out there that is going prime minus 1.15 that would bring your variable rate to 5.35%. So what's the old rate? Old rate's at 4.5%. That's the old benchmark rate. The new rate is 4.25%. That is not your variable rate, and that is not your fixed rate either. There is a reduction of 0.25% on this rate. So there's a reduction on the variable rates of 0.25%. So how are fixed rates affected by this reduction? So the fixed rates definitely are affected by this reduction. They're not directly affected like the variable rates affected. So the variable rate is directly affected by this. The fixed rates, the last two times the Bank of Canada made these announcements and lowered the benchmark rate, the fixed rates were also affected. And both times the fixed rates did go down. So you're probably going to see by Monday the fixed rates going down very slightly, but you will see a reduction in the fixed rates going down. Can I qualify for a higher mortgage amount because of the rate reduction? Yes, you can qualify for a higher mortgage amount because of the rate reduction. It's not going to be huge, but I am sharing a graph with you right here of what's happening with the rates and how much more you can qualify for based on this scenario. If you really want to know how much you're going to qualify for, just please give me a call anytime. I can run a mortgage scenario for you. It takes me about an hour to do it, and I'll tell you how much more you can qualify for with this new rate. One good thing about dealing with us is that I can always get you a lower rate than what your bank can get you. Even if we have to buy that down, the banks give us a big discount on the rates and we bring that directly to you. So make sure you wait until the end of this video because I'm going to share some other things with you that are going to help you get a lower mortgage rate and help you negotiate a lower mortgage rate. So stay tuned, like and subscribe to the channel if you're liking the video so far. There's a lot more. So what is a bank prime rate? So the banks have all put their own prime rate on their website. So basically, the banks are not taking this 4.5 or 4.25 Canadian benchmark rate. They're, of course, taking that into consideration, but the banks have their own prime rate that they go by. So right now, the new bank prime rate is going to be 6.45%. 0.25% lower because of the change. Now, that being said, the variable rates are usually like prime minus 0.9, prime minus 1, prime minus 1.1. Our lowest, like I said, is prime minus 1.15. So it's the bank's prime rate, 6.45%, minus 1.15% to get you your actual variable rate. That's basically how it works with these reductions. So always to take into consideration what your bank's prime rate is. So when you see these announcements happen, pay attention only to that it went down by negative 0.25%, because then you could take your bank prime rate and go negative 0.25%, and then you'll find what your actual true rate is going to be. You don't care about 4.5 and 4.25. You only care about how much it's reduced. And the only thing that's going to affect the bank's approval is their rate, their benchmark rate, 6.45% currently, minus the whatever the variable rate is that they offer, and then you get your variable rate. So the lowest variable rate right now, like I said, 5.3%. When is the next Bank of Canada meeting? The next Bank of Canada meeting is going to be on October 23rd, 2024, and then there will be another one in December. So there could potentially be a couple of more reductions by year end. I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but I expect there will be at least one more reduction by year end. Please give me a call if you have any questions about this. Now, that being said, if you are sitting on the fence saying, I'm not going to buy a property until, or I don't want to buy a property until, you need to listen to me here. If you make your possession date a little bit further out, so you make it after October 23rd, you're still eligible for that rate if you're dealing with us, because we do rate reductions as time goes on, all the way up until your close date. So I can get you those good rates for sure. So make sure you don't fall into the false advertising and call these people. That's what they want. They want you to call them to talk about this rate, but most of them don't know what they're talking about. Just so you know, please like and subscribe to the channel if you like the video. Thanks for watching.